In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove phone number from Discord without logging in. Here's the key truth up front. You cannot remove a phone number from Discord without logging in. As of December 2025, Discord requires access to the account to remove or change the number. There isn't a public tool, link, or form that detaches a number without verifying the account owner. That policy exists to protect accounts from unauthorized changes. If you can still log in, the official and guaranteed method is simple. Sign into your Discord account, then open user settings, which is the gear icon near your profile. Go to My Account. Under phone number, choose Remove. Discord will send a verification code to the number currently on file. Enter that code to confirm and you're done. Make sure you can receive SMS on that number and that you enter the code exactly as it appears. If the code doesn't arrive right away, wait a moment, check your signal and try the resend option. Also, ensure text filtering or spam protection on your device isn't hiding the message. If you cannot log in, your only path is to contact Discord support and request help. Open the Discord support site and submit a request. For the category, choose Help and Support. Then select the issue that states your phone number is attached to an account you cannot access. In the form, provide the phone number with the correct country code, the email used on the account if you know it, and your Discord username and tag if you remember them. In the description, be clear and to the point. For example, I no longer have access to the account. I want my phone number removed so I can use it on a new account. Submit the ticket and keep an eye on your inbox. Expect a response in about 3 to 10 business days. During that process, Discord may ask for proof of ownership, such as access to the email on file or older screenshots that show the account details. Reply from the same email address you used on the form, include all information in one thread, and avoid creating multiple tickets, which can slow things down. Check your spam or promotions folder so you do not miss a reply. To recap, there's no way to remove a phone number without logging in. If you can access your account, remove it in My Account with a verification code. If you can't, submit a support ticket with clear details and be ready to verify ownership. Stay patient and consistent and you'll get your number freed up.